Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from GLOSSYBOX. Let's see what's inside. Here it reads, if you can read that, it says July 2020 GLOSSYBOX V1. I will post my prior GLOSSYBOX unboxings and findings somewhere here, or at the end of this video. The box reads Aloha. The first thing in here is this, and this is from Daily Concepts, and this is their exfoliating dual texture scrubber. So this is for the body, it's for skincare, which I absolutely adore. And let's see what else I can read here. This is the this body scrubber is perfect for even the most sensitive skin to buff away dead skin cells and dirt. Plus, its shape covers more surface area to get more cleaning done in half the time. And this little baby sells for $12 US. They gave me two of these, perfect for me because definitely needed for the summertime. This is from the company Hask, and this is their Manoi Coconut Oil Conditioner. Say hello to a tropical treat with this hydrating hair conditioner infused with softening Manoi oil, a blend of Tahitian gardenias and coconut oil to hydrate and strengthen. This conditioner protects against damage by softening and strengthening your locks. Plus, who doesn't love a little something extra? So this full price, it's at 12 ounces and it's $5.99. Interesting, because this looks like has the same flower packaging as on the box for GLOSSYBOX. This company is called Monu, M-O-N-U, Professional Skincare. Oh, okay. Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil. Wow. Okay, let's see what else this reads. This gentle facial oil provides the ideal treatment to relax and comfort irritated or sensitive skin. Perfect. Created using a careful combination of hydrating sandalwood and soothing lavender essential oils, your skin will feel comfortable throughout the entire day. So the tip is to take a few drops, rub the oil in upward circulatory motions on the skin for optimal application. The retail price for this at 100 ml, this is like a deluxe size. But the full size, 100 ml, is $39 US. And I open it. There's no seal. Oh, but I smell the lavender. And it's not all the way full, it's halfway. You see that? That's interesting. Like, it comes up to here. All right. But it's oiled, so a little few drops can go a long way. I have in here is from the company called Beauty Crop, the Beauty Crop. I love the little container that it comes in. It has heft. It feels like it's glass, actually. What is this? Okay. This is from the Beauty Crop. It's called Palm Balm. Take a breather with this 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheeks with a lovely shade of peachy rose. Okay. Formulated with coconut and apricot kernel oil, your skin will have a gorgeous, fresh, tropical glow. This is considered full size. The price is $21 US. And I open it like this. You see the product? It's so pretty. Very creamy. I'll just apply that here. I won't use the same finger twice. Nice little peachy tone. And I'm going to use my other finger again using clean hands. And nice. It looks like I've just got sun-kissed. It looks natural. And there's no scent. So for those who are ultra sensitive to scents, this might be for you. This is indicated in the brochure that it's an extra treat. And this is from Freeman Beauty. And this is the Hawaiian Black Salt Peel-Off Mask. Another skincare product. Love it. Boost your skincare routine with this detoxifying peel-off mask from Freeman Beauty. This skincare treatment helps gently exfoliate and rejuvenate skin for a luminous complexion. And it says here it has about, you could get 2 or 3, maybe 3 or 4. 3 or 4 treatments, which is nice coming from this little container. This is the deluxe sample. This is not the full one. The full size ounce is 6 fluid ounce for $4.29. Last, certainly not least, is this little baby, and this is from the company Polar, P-O-L-A-A-R. This is their Northern Light Smoothing Fluid. In the height of summer, no one wants a dull complexion. I know I don't. This natural face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, which is rich in vitamin C, and salicylic acid to give you radiant skin, tighter pores, and a more refined skin surface. Combining a light fluid texture and a matte finish, it's the ideal base for warm weather. So you might be able to use this as a replacement for your primer in the summertime. This is the deluxe size, the 25 ml. This is actually worth $22 US, this little thing. The full size, which is double this, I guess at 50 ml, it's worth 46 US dollars. Whew. Plus, I even received these two little gift cards, which is nice. $25 for velvet, which I believe, I love how it all matches in the box, but it's called Velvet Sunnies for you. I wonder what that is. And then there's this $50 gift card from a company called Vincero, which apparently is a watch company. And they give you a code. What did I think about my Aloha A Moment of Paradise box? I would say it hits the bullseye. I absolutely love it. I love how this looks. It's really natural, very pretty, a natural finish. The only thing that's missing, I think, out of this would be an SPF. Otherwise, great. Anything regarding skincare and hair care, I'm a fan. I'm on it. And the fact that there are a couple companies in here that I have never heard of, like I don't think I've ever heard of Manu Skin, nor have I heard of Polar. So I'm thrilled. Plus, to get a makeup tool, all for it. I would give this box an A. What about you? Do you subscribe to GLOSSYBOX? Let me know in the comments below. Again, this was version 1 box, so I'm assuming there may be a version 2, possibly a version 3. If you subscribe and got something different, let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing makeup video adventure. My name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, again, hit that like button. Even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.